Back at the doghouse today. Beautiful day here. It's well, when I say beautiful, I'm talking like 60 degrees, but that's nice for here in Renfrew, Ontario, Canada. And the doghouse. But anyway, today I'm going to take the truck for a little cruise. I got to replace the vacuum modulator valve first, so let's go in the shop and change that. There we go. Here, we just got one bolt here. Take this bolt out. This here holds the modulator valve in. Disconnect this hose right here. Swap her out and see what happens. Yeah, so 1/2-inch wrench. Pull the puppy out. I guess I should use the socket here. But a ratchet wrench, it works too. Yeah, we got a little bit of transmission fluid. Yeah, we got some transmission fluid coming out, but that's okay. I almost got it all here. Almost. Anyway, we'll put that other valve in, stop the leak. And of course, I tripped over the gall darn pail and splattered the transmission fluid all over the floor. So anyway, get the Zor ball out and suck her up. Going down, ladies' lingerie and pool cues. Hey guys, back in the doghouse today. Got my truck fixed, so I can go on a tour now if it ever warms up. Cold, cold, cold around here. Really windy, really cold. Not touring weather anyway. But I'm happy I got the truck fixed. Vacuum modulator valve, that's all it was. Thanks to my YouTube buddies, just talking back and forth, and the key was I was blowing smoke out tailpipes, the two tailpipes. I got dual exhaust running straight back. I don't have a crossover, nothing like that. And like a friend said, how come I got smoke out of both tailpipes? I can only blow one head gasket, one or the other. So anyway, change the modulator valve. Works fine now. So anyway, that's another one down the tubes. So thanks for hanging around. Bye now.